In this video, we're gonna go over how you can transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App. Now here, this person has written the directions very clearly. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Coinmarketcap app and navigate to our portfolio. Now I'll show you how we can do this in a second as well. So then we will need to select the cryptocurrency we want to cash out and tap withdraw. Then we need to enter the amount we want to withdraw and select Cash App as your withdrawal method. This is very important. Then we will have to review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm the withdrawal. Now here's where we have to, where I will actually show you. Now we will have to open up Cash App. So I'll just do that. So I'm gonna open up Cash App like this, and we need to click on the banking icon here in the bottom. Now, once we have clicked on the banking icon, then we will select Add Cash, and we need to choose the amount which we will be transferring from Coinmarketcap into Cash App. So for example, if we're transferring $10, we can do this. Or if we're transferring a specific amount here, we can click on the three dots and just type out the amount like this. Now click on Add here, and if you have successfully linked a debit or credit card, you will be taken to another page that asks you for the withdrawal method, and we have to select Bitcoin. So select Bitcoin as your payment method and confirm the transaction. Once the Bitcoin transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you'll see the funds in your Cash App balance. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.